Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Sunday, August 20th. Time is around 7:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Owanda platform. So it's Sunday, markets are closed, but during the weekend I always have a look at the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, as a preparation for the trading week, but also for investors. And so my take on the FTSE is that we had an impulse up here as a higher degree wave 1 in 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divergence is not really outspoken here. That's why I think we cannot exclude that we make another high. However, this is not my primary scenario. I would expect more downside. I think the pullback has started or is actually ongoing. If we would make another high, then it would become something like this. I believe that we here have a wave 3. And then we need, I think, some kind of triangle here to do, to end our wave 4 here, and then a final wave 5 to the upside to finish this higher degree wave 1. But like I said, this is not my primary scenario. I think we are now working on this wave 2 correction, and so this wave 2 correction should go into this area here. If we take the length of our wave 1, then the wave 2 is supposed to go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So now let's have a closer look at the daily. So if we are supposed to go into this area here, I would do it as a WXY. Yeah, could also be that like that we finish our first WXY here, that the wave 2 is in here, but it could also be that then from here we have again rally to the upside, rally that fails, and again down in 3, 1, 2, 3, that we then end up here. This is it's a bit too early to really forecast this. I think now what matters is this structure here and these areas. I believe this might be interesting buying areas, because here our wave 2 might be finished and we can expect a rally from here, or at least some push up. Okay, if the rally fails, we can go deeper into this area, but it could also be that our wave 2 will be in here if we have a shallow wave 2. But for now, let's just look here at this structure. So I updated my Elliott wave count because last Friday we took out this low, which meant this was also a failing trade for me. I was stopped out here, and it also meant that my setup I had in my primary scenario did not work anymore, so I had to update my count. So let's have a look at what I have now. Actually, not that much changed, but let's have a look at it again. So first of all, I believe WXY is the right structure to use here, because we are like moving in 3 waves. Like you can see 1 2 3, this is also 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So what I have here is a wave W of the higher degree. So wave W down, then wave X up. Right, I have to. This one should be visible in the daily. Yes, so like this here. Then wave X up as ABC, and so now we are working here on our Y leg, and the target area for our Y leg is the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, and then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is the area where our wave Y should go. Then this wave Y should again consist of a corrective structure. And for now, what I see now, I would expect again a WXY structure within this Y leg. And this wave W then again consists of a WXY, as you can see. So we are really moving corrective here. And so now last week, because we took out this low, this structure here should be finished. Before, I thought that we would have something like this: A, B, C to the upside to finish this wave X here. But yeah, now I would assume that the wave X is in here, so that this was 3 waves instead of 5. A, B, C, wave X is in. And then we also know the target area for this wave Y. This is the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave W, the length of our wave X, and then the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension is the target of our wave Y. And then this wave Y should again consist of 3 waves. What I see now, I would label it like this: an A, B, C. However, if we see way more downside, maybe it can also become something like this, that the ABC is already, that we are already working on the C leg here, the C leg down to reach this area. This is something that is possible, but yeah, could also be something like this: wave A, then rally to the upside as a wave B, and then C again down into this area. So as you can see, we are really moving corrective, depending on which moves in the market we get. It's also the structure can change easily. Like until last week, I thought this was not, or wave X was not in yet. We take out this low, then it looks like the wave X should be in. Now, now I would expect again 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. But yeah, this can also be or 3 waves, actually A, B, C, something like this. So a bit hard to forecast, I would say, but for investors, not much is changing. Like, we are in the area where you cannot do much. Like, the first buying opportunity would be here, in my opinion. From here we can expect a reaction to the upside, but again, it can be a rally that fails. Like, okay, WXY wave 2 here of the higher degree can be in here, but it can also be that this then is again part of a higher degree WXY correction. So WXY to finish a wave W, wave X to the upside, and then again down as a wave Y to go into the wave 2 area, and from here more upside. That's something that is possible. So for investors, I would wait for this area here. Then we can see what the data gives us to buy from here. And for traders, so yeah, next week I would expect some kind of rally to the upside, like as a wave B or something. Yeah, can also be something very choppy and unclear to the upside as a wave B, and then go down again as a wave C. It looks like this here is finishing, like we are breaking this RSI trend line now to the upside. If we have a look at the 1 hour, I would label it like this wave A. I would expect yeah, maybe one more low, and then we can see again some upside. So this might be a long opportunity next week. But at the other hand, yeah, you are trading against the main direction, and this is how I actually failed my trade here. I was stopped out, so maybe it's better to wait for here for this wave B. If we get some kind of rally to the upside, to short again this wave B for more downside as a wave C. So this is what I see in the higher time frame, and for next week. So investors, I would only consider buying from this area here, and yeah, traders, it's a bit hard to say. If we have this push up here as a wave B, this might again be a short opportunity, but it could also be that yeah, that we are doing something like this instead, so that we just drop further. But then once we reach this area, yeah, then I would expect upside again from here. Okay, this is my analysis, my higher time frame analysis. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you on Monday tomorrow for an analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.